Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we are going to be going over the Dollar General glitch list. We have a total of 25 glitch lists to talk about. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Now first up, I do want to go ahead and remind everybody that I did upload some videos earlier in the week going over new coupons, glitches, clearance markdowns, penny list, and the 90% off home decor items that are at Dollar General right now. So if you missed out on anything, make sure that you go and check them out. I'm going to have them linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, unfortunately, this week I did not get to upload the videos that I had planned on uploading for you all. Y'all know your girl has been sick. I did go to the doctor. I tried to take a couple days off and kind of take things easy. But unfortunately, this cold seems like it's sticking around. Now, hopefully, in the next few days, I'll start to feel better and I'll be able to put out more videos for you all. But I do want to thank you guys for your patience and understanding during this time. But y'all make sure that you stay tuned, and I'll try to get out as many deals and videos as I can. Now, the reason why I wanted to put this video together, this is not one of our normal videos. Yes, I typically put out a glitch list video, but this is a last chance glitch list. And basically what that means is that we have a lot of glitches and coupons that are expiring today. So I wanted you guys to be aware of them before you go out shopping and doing your $5 of $25 scenarios. And then also make sure that you stick around until the end, because there are a few more things that I have to tell you all about. But anyways, for now, let's go ahead and get into this glitch list. Alright, so first up, we've got this 1-off 1 digital coupon on the Crest toothpaste, and this coupon does expire today on July the 1st. So this coupon does work on the Crest Pro Health toothpaste. After the coupon, that's going to make it completely free. Here's another one expiring today. We have the 2-off 1 Fix-It multi-packs. This one is working on the Fix-It Plus singles. They're priced at $7, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $5. Up next, we've got a 150 off 1 digital coupon for the Super Poly Grip. This coupon is glitching and working on the travel size. They're priced at $2.25, so after the coupon, you're going to pay 75 cents. And this one does expire on the 4th. And here's another one also expiring on July the 4th. We have a 2-off 1 digital coupon for the Polydent. This one is glitching and working on the Polydent 28 count. Those are priced at $3, so after the coupon, you're going to pay just $1. Here's another one expiring today on the 1st. We have a 1-off 1 digital coupon for the Colgate products. This one is glitching and working on the Max White toothbrushes. They're priced at $3, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2. Next up, we have a 1-off 1 digital coupon for the Degree deodorants. This coupon is glitching and working on the 1.6 ounce and 1.7 ounce men's and women's deodorants. They're priced at $2.65, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.65. Alright, moving right along, we have a 2-off 1 digital coupon for the Dove bar soap. This coupon is glitching and working on the Cherry 3-count bar soap. They're priced at $4.75, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. Alright, next up, we have a 3-off 10 digital coupon for the Dove products. This coupon is glitching on a lot of products, one of them being the 1.6 ounce Dove deodorant twin packs. So these are priced at $5 each. Pick up 2 twin packs, and that's going to leave you paying $7 for 2. Now, this coupon is also glitching and working the 1.6 ounce Dove Fresh deodorant. Those are priced at $3. This coupon is also working on the Dove Advanced Care 1.6 ounce deodorants. Those are priced at $4.50. And this digital coupon is also glitching and working on the Dove Travel Size shampoos and conditioners. Those are priced at $2.50 each. Now, this coupon is also glitching and working on the Dove travel-sized dry sprays. They're priced at $2.65, as well as the Dove Advanced Care solid deodorants. It's a 0.5 ounce. Those are priced at $1.75. Now, here's a quick little deal that I threw together. You can pick up 3 of the Dove 1.6 ounce deodorants at $3 each, and 1 of the Dove 0.5 ounce for $1.75. That's going to put you at $10.75. After that 3 off 10, you're going to pay $7.75 for all 4 products. Alright, next up we have the Axe men's deodorant 1.7 ounces. These are priced at $3 each. We have a 2-off 1 manufacturer as well as a 2-off 2 DG store coupon. So picking up 2, use both of those coupons, that's going to leave you paying $2 for 2. Now, if you just want to pick up 1 of the Axe men's 1.7 ounce deodorants at $3, use that 2-off 1 manufacturer, plus we have a 1-off 1 DG store coupon, and that's going to make it completely free. Alright, next up we have a 50 cent off 1 digital coupon for the Bounty paper towels. This coupon is glitching glitching and working on the Bounty Essential 1-count rolls found in the dollar aisle for $1. So pick up one of those, use that digital coupon, and that's going to leave you paying just 50 cents. Next up, we have a 2-off-1 digital coupon for the Airwick products. This coupon is glitching and working on the Airwick scented oil warmers. They're priced at $2.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay 25 cents. All right, next up, we have a cash back glitch. So we have 75 cents back on the Finish dishwasher tablets. This cash back offer is glitching and working on the Finish Powerball 4-count from the dollar aisle. So pick up one of those, get 75 cents back. That's going to make your final price just 25 cents. And if I'm remembering correctly, I believe this offer had a max redemption of 5 times on it. So you could potentially do this deal up to 5 times. Now, like I always say, double check, read the offers yourself because different accounts could receive different offers. All right, next up, we have another cashback glitch. We have 50 cents back on the Rayovac batteries. This offer is glitching and working on the Everready C and D batteries. They're priced at $4.50, so that's going to make your final price just $4. All right, next up, we have a 1-off-1 digital coupon for the BioFreeze product. This coupon is glitching and working on the 1-count pain relief patch. These are priced at $1.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay just 50 cents. All right, next up, we have this 50 cent off 2 digital coupon for the General Mills fruit snacks. So this coupon is glitching and working on the fruit roll-ups for $1. We also have the Mott's Berry 3-count for $1. We also have the Mott's Fruit Flavored 3-count for $1. And then we also have the Fruity Gushers as well as the Fruit by the Foots. So these are all found in the dollar aisle for $1. Pick up a total of 2. Use that digital coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $1.50 for 2. Up next, we have this 1-off-3 digital coupon for the 2-liter bottles of Dr. Pepper, A&W, Canada Dry, so on and so forth. This coupon is glitching and working on the 20-ounce A&W cream sodas. They're priced at $1.95, but they're on sale too for $2.50. So pick up a total of 3, use that digital coupon, you're going to pay $3.45 for 3 bottles. All right, next up, we have this 5-off-1 digital coupon for the Caesar multi-packs. This is supposed to be for the larger ones that are priced at about $15, but this coupon is glitching and it's working on the 6-pack of the Caesar wet dog food trays. They're priced at $8, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. Now, if this coupon stacks, we also have a $5 cashback offer right now on our Dollar General apps. So if that stacks with the cashback offer, that is going to make it completely free, plus a $2 moneymaker. All right, now I also wanted to talk about this glitch that we had at the beginning of the week really quick. It's on the Caesar Simply Crafted wet dog food for $2. It was glitching with that 5-off-1 digital coupon, making it free plus giving us $3 in overage. Now, this glitch is no longer showing up in the app, but the same thing happened last week where they stopped the glitch, they fixed it. However, some people went in on Saturday, tried the glitch at the register, and it worked, and it gave them the overage at the older registers. So I don't know if that's going to happen today. I am definitely going to try it out as soon as I can get to the store. So be on the lookout. Once I get done with my deals, I will make a post about it in the community tab. But I just wanted to kind of give you all a little heads up on that, just in case you wanted to try it out at the register. And also, don't forget, if you do pick up any of the Caesar wet dog food products, make sure that you scan your receipt into Fetch Rewards, because right now we have a 2,000 point bonus, which is about the equivalent of $2 when you spend $6 on the Caesar products. So don't leave those points behind, because y'all know you can turn those points into gift cards later on down the line. All right, so scan, scan, scan. And also, again, I do apologize. I didn't get to get out the videos that I had planned for you all this week, but we do have a 3-day sale going on at Dollar General right now. Today is the last day, Saturday, July the 1st. We have some really good things included in this sale, including some pretty big categories. So we have swim and summer toys. We also have lawn and garden items, as well as the Green Dot home decor items. All 3 of those categories are going to be buy one, get one for free. And today is the last day of the sale, July the 1st. Starting tomorrow, everything's going to go back to regular price. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, leave me a smile down in the comment section below, and then take a second to share the video. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.